What's going on, guys? Junior here with Custom House TV on the YouTube. We got another spotlight for you today. We're back inside. Last week it was summer. This week it's snowing. It's Wisconsin. We got a 2018 Silverado 1500 on some 18x9s, 35s, 6-inch lift kit. Let's go check it out.
So big in the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom offsets, team stances, the team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gon' fade, so you better get ready, we're taking over the game. Trucks decked out, rollin' through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big in the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom offsets, team stances, the team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gon' fade, so you better get ready, we're taking over the game.
All right, guys, so this 2018 Silverado 1500 has a 6-inch BDS lift kit in here. If you kind of get in here and check it out, this is the strut replacement kit. It's not a strut spacer. It's basically the nicest kit that you can have without going with the full Fox coilover kit, which gets really expensive. He's got that paired with some 18x9 fuel sledges. So the nice thing about these, we'll get there, but the nice thing about these is they don't rub because of the 9 wide. So being a narrower wheel, you don't have as much tire sticking out, but we'll get the build test first. We'll get to the fitment in a second. So there's a little bit of a ridge here. I don't know if you consider that the lip or not, but on your 9 wide, you've got about a 2.5-inch lip. Keep in mind a bill is 6 inches. And if you kind of sneak here between the spokes, you got almost a full 3 inches there. Got the $1 out today. Tough times. These are the fuel sledges, like I said, 18x9. Fully blacked out, which kind of goes with the whole theme of the truck. You got the black valences, got the black Silverado on the sides here, just a little bit of black to go with the complete red paint to match everything. He's got that paired with the Nitto ridge grapplers and a 35 12.5 R20. And then you can see if you're coming here, Lawson, the little bit of trimming that was required was basically just because it was annoying to have the corners of the tire lug grabbing at the valence here. So just a little bit of trimming here to make that clear. Realistically, you could probably drive this thing a little bit, deal with that, and then the tires will wear down enough that it's not gonna get to the point where it's grabbing on there, but it's also easy enough to snip the plastic. Only rubs in the front here, nothing in the back. That's the beauty of the 9 wides with 35s on the 6-inch lift kit. As you can see, it's also tinted. It looks like 5%. It's actually fairly dark. Checking out the inside on this thing, just nice, good old 2018 Silverado, black leather, black everything. Really goes with the whole like look of this truck, all painted to match red with just black. And then got the little double cab seat in the back there. Not much to check out. But past that, he's got a tonneau cover in the back as well. Z71, so he's got the badges on here, which I actually don't mind. They kind of match the whole theme of the truck, the red and the black. Blacked out bow tie in the back, black Silverado in the back, and paint to match rear bumper. So if you check in the rear here as well, he does have an 1 3/4 spacer in the rear because of the fronts with the track width of these trucks. The lift kit kind of pushes the fronts out a little bit more than the rears. So adding that spacer in the rear is basically gonna give you the same stance front and rear, just so you don't look silly going down the road. This also has a dual exit Borla exhaust on it as well to kind of round out the whole thing. So there you have it. That is your black and red 2018 Silverado 1500 6-inch BDS 35s 18x9s. With those 9 wides, there's practically no trimming, so you gotta love it. We've got these spotlight videos coming up every Monday on our YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/CustomHouseTV. You're going to subscribe for more. Peace.